LoveLight is the Light Center's outreach project, which has been going for about 10 years now, and originally was inspired by the AIDS orphan crisis in South Africa. Thousands and thousands and thousands, actually millions, of children who have been orphaned by the pandemic, so that you're not safe in your home, you don't have adult supervision. And it's very typical in South Africa to have child-headed households. So the oldest child is raising all the rest of the children. Every one of the kids that you talk to has a dream. They want to be something. They want to be a lawyer. They want to be a news broadcaster. They want to do something big. They have big dreams. And that involves getting some education beyond high school. The grannies provide whatever is needed for children that they identify in the community who are at risk. They know which children are not being fed, which children are not going to school, which children are in some kind of an abusive situation. And they make sure those kids know there's a safe home here where you can come and have a granny to hold you, to talk to get some porridge, to have what you need to be able to go to school.
Revision in terms of per capita, have the highest infection rate in the Western Cape. We are about 5,500 people. We've got over 1,000 people that is infected, and it's growing. The one thing that we feel we need to do is to build strong leadership in revision, so that we can have young leaders, that would be able to get a good education, first primary, secondary, and then go to university, so that they could be able to find good jobs, so that they can initially at least look after their own families, you see. And then I've made it, and I need to plow back.
From South Africa, from a beautiful area called the Blue Hippo Camp, where these sweet beings, along with their teachers and their friends and their family members, are here experiencing a time together.
They might say things that are negative, like, how can you do that? You have no money, or you're not smart enough to do that. What if something bad happens? Today we're going to say, what if everything goes right? Or what if up?
Magic, yes? It's magic.
You are so beautiful. You are so wonderful. And I do love you as you are, my friend.
Speak from your heart, things. Yes. Learn about trust other people. My favorite part was eat the fire, making that marshmallows with the chocolate in cookies.
The s'mores, s'mores.
S'mores, yeah, it was pretty good. They taste.
Led me to be a leader, have faith in my friends, and trust in. Hold my trust up.
In the group, family groups, when they did like trust falls to build trust amongst members of the group. I want to become an accountant. I also want to help children in my community, to help them to build leadership skills, stay involved with the camps.
Hi, my name is Nekamba. I live in South Africa. I enjoyed the Ubuntu camp and I love you. I appreciate you. I give all my blessings from God. Let God bless you. Thank you.
There's a change in kids. The kids that was on the camp class, I see the change even before and afterwards. So you make a difference. You really make a difference in the kids' lives.